Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, today's video is a little bit of learning. I'm gonna show you how to prepare this oil, which is an infusion of the oil with the head of the shrimps. The idea of this trick I'm gonna show you is to boost the flavor of your seafood you're preparing. Yeah, even if it's only shrimps, or you're making a paella, or you're making a pasta. With this oil infused with the shrimps, we are removing the coral of the heads of the shrimps, which is the flavor. We are gonna just concentrate it into the oil. Yeah, we're gonna prepare it just like the show. I cut it with the scissors just to leave the heads as they are and not getting anything out of the heads. Yeah, and with the shells I'm gonna prepare a broth. It's just a separate dish for a paella and prepare it, but it's prepared together. Yeah, this is very easy. Just help yourself with the scissor, cut it, and you see how I'm doing it. That's it. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna now finish it, and the rest I'm gonna speed it up so that you just see the next step. The next step, we are gonna use some olive oil. Yes, that is the idea of the olive oil is to do a slow, very slow and low temperature cook. We are not overheating the oil because we wanna reuse the oil. Yeah, that's why we are doing kind of a confit. Yeah, in our pan. Yeah, just simple process. Yeah, but we need a little bit of oil. Not that little bit, but we need plenty of oil because we need to cover it up completely in all the heads in the pan. That's why this process is nice to do it one time, and then we have reserves for our next cooking session with seafood. That's the whole idea of it. Yeah, you see, very low temperature. I'm using 2 or 2.5 here in my stove, and it's gonna take a while, a long time. After it's been cooked, look, it starts changing the color. Then we're gonna just crush it a little bit to remove everything, and then sip it like you just see in the video. The rest of it, we're gonna use it for our broth. Then we're gonna bring back these heads to our broth, and this is a separate video for it, and that's it. And then we have this golden oil we got here infused with our shrimp. It just power up all your cooking activities with seafood and shrimps. And just as I just said, then you got a ice bag here, and then you can help yourself any way you can and just pour it. And now we got now I'm gonna put it all together now, and then you're gonna freeze it up, and then you got small cubes like you are doing ice. That's it. Look, now it's full. Now to the fridge, and after the fridge, now it's very easy. Now we got this this is gold in the kitchen. Yeah, now look, we have these cubes, and then we put it on the pan, heat it up. We got our starter with a full flavor of the shrimps. You can do here camarones al ajillo, so garlic shrimps, and you can also do here like this one with this chimichurri sauce I prepare. Look, perfect, and just power up the flavor. You can use it for a paella, you can use it for a pasta, you can use it for anything you are cooking with seafood. Thank you very much. I hope you like it. Hit that thumb up button, and see you in the next video. Take care and enjoy the journey. Cheers.